major regulatory authorities like the FDA and the European Medicines Agency and the International Commission on Harmonisation have very, very clear standards for what should go into a drug, how it should be tested, how the components should be tested. So if we adhered to those through the process of good manufacturing processes, I don't think that we would have a problem. We would be able to look at any formulation and say it will work in a similar manner or the same manner as the originator formulation, the innovator formulation. And that's really how we judge drugs. We judge them on the basis of a very, very large regulatory dossier which has complied with all of those standards. The drug itself, the active pharmaceutical ingredient. One of the issues that I tried to bring across in my talk is that now a large proportion, about 80% of all the drug ingredient is made either in China or in India. And what is happening is that it's becoming difficult to inspect those plants to a high enough standard or frequently enough to ensure the quality. So you are relying on the people who buy the API on doing the testing to make sure they've got the quality they thought they were buying before they put it into the medicine.
What are we seeing today in the use of legal drugs for recreational use? Is there any new tendency, and what are we seeing in terms of side effects?
Sure. What I see is a large use of the internet to purchase what are either illegal or drugs made to circumvent being illegal. So they are slightly different molecules to the ones that are illegal, but they give a similar effect. So, for instance, amphetamine-like drugs, benzalpiperazine-like drugs, where small differences are made to the molecule in a way that they then don't fall outside the legal framework. They fall outside the legal framework, but of course there is no data on these drugs, so we don't know anything about their toxicity, their efficacy, how they mix with other drugs, how they might mix with alcohol.